Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Plex. First, you'll need to download and install the Plex Media Server software. This free application runs on your computer and acts as the central hub for all your media. It's crucial to choose a dedicated machine that can stay powered on consistently, ensuring your content is always available for streaming. This forms the foundation of your entire Plex experience. Next, organize your media files into clear, logical folders on your server computer. Separate movies, TV shows, and music into their own directories. Then, open the Plex web interface and add these folders as new libraries. Plex will then automatically scan your files, fetching rich metadata like cover art, summaries, and cast information, making your library look fantastic. With your server running and libraries set up, it's time to access your content. Download and install the Plex client app on your preferred streaming devices, such as smart TVs, phones, or tablets. Simply log in with your Plex account on each device, and you'll instantly see your entire media library, ready for seamless playback from anywhere with an internet connection. To enhance your Plex experience, explore advanced features. A Plex Pass subscription unlocks premium benefits like mobile sync for offline viewing, hardware transcoding, and live TV with DVR. You can also fine-tune server settings for optimal performance, including remote access and network bandwidth. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals to elevate your home entertainment setup even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.